up?
So I got a call from somebody on TikTok.
Okay.
Are you done?
I am.
I don't know if you went blank screen or what, but a bunch of people started calling worried about you.
Oh my gosh. Are you serious?
Yeah. Just making sure you're alright, man.
Oh, that's embarrassing. I'm sorry.
You're good, man. Have a good night, alright?
Have a good night.
Oh my God, Bella! Bella, you okay? Harley, come here! Ah! Oh my God!
You look so angry. Hi. Who are you? It's Lexi. Oh! Yeah, we can talk to you through this. So, hi, bye. Oh, bye. How are you doing? Getting some coffee, bitch. Mother trucker, dude, it's raining cats and dogs. Son of a bitch. My nips are about to be popping. My dumbass sprayed my drink. Still did good.